In this video, we're going to take a look at how to turn the camera off on a Yubo Live. So if you want to do live videos but you don't want to necessarily show your face, this is going to be the tutorial for you. As always, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I create daily content, guides, tutorials on different social media platforms and how you can do different tasks on it. So let's get started. So at the bottom of the page, we've got the live icon, so the red with the black camera button, so we're going to click on that. I'm going to select an emoji, so I'm going to click the love heart and then click close. Then I'm going to set a title. Oops. Okay, that's fine. In the top right, I'm just going to change the age to restrict it, so hopefully no one comes in. And then I'm just going to click on the start live video. So currently I've got some paper that's covering the camera. A better way is to click in the right hand corner, the gear icon, and if we click on the icon that looks like a video playing, live playing, if we click on that, now it shows our profile image. We have our microphone still activated, but we no longer are showing our faces, so we've turned off the camera. If this is helpful, please leave a comment in the description, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.